In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Google Drive from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to install this app but you are encountering this or any other related error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, just go to your phone and open Google Play Store, and you want to ensure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you download and install the app. However, if you are unable to do so, then we need to check our network settings. For that, tap on your profile icon here and go down to settings. Under settings, look for this option, network preferences. Here, go to app download preference and choose over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Then tap on OK to save the changes. In most cases, this will fix your issue. However, if you are still unable, then check and see if you are using any VPN or proxy app. This might be the reason you are facing this problem. Turn off any VPN on your smartphone and try downloading your app. However, should this not fix your issue, then the problem most likely is with Google Play Store app. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, and here it is. Here, first go to force stop and stop any background activities that might be causing this issue, and then go to clear data and clear cache. And okay, once you are done, now you need to restart your smartphone and then go to Play Store. And now activate search and search for Drive. So I'll search for Drive, and if I run my search, let me install the app. And now look at that, I'm able to download and install Google Drive. However, should you still encounter a challenge, then you want to check and see that you have enough space. If you don't, then clear space by deleting unwanted or unused apps and files on your phone. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.